Here's how to make your own yogurt at home. Yes, you can do this. Need a couple things. You need to have a yogurt starter. I got this on Amazon. You can probably get it at your local health food store. Then you need a quarter to a half gallon of some kind of milk. You want it to be free of any additives if at all possible. I'm going to use goat milk for this. So you want to bring it to a boil first, and then you want to cool it. Your starter should tell you what you need to cool it to. And then when it cools down to that temperature, you can add 1 or 2 of your sachets. Promise me you're going to give it the time it needs to fully cool. If you don't, you're going to kill your live starter and you will fail at your yogurt making. While you wait, you can prep your containers. I have this old yogurt maker I've had for forever, and I like to use glass jars. I don't like to use plastic if I can at all avoid it. My sister-in-law makes hers in her oven, so you don't have to have a yogurt maker. You would just have to have your light on and enough heat in there that it can culture. Okay, so we've waited for the milk to cool. We've added in our starter. We've whisked that in. And now it's time to put it into our containers for it to incubate. So now the milk is in. Didn't have quite enough to fill these, that's okay. Next time I'll make it slightly larger. And then you need to turn it on and set your timer. And over time you'll learn for your yogurt maker or whatever you're using for your incubation, how long it takes for your yogurt to set. But once it's set, once it becomes firm, then it's done. You can take it out, put lids on it, and put it in the fridge. So here's a really cool thing. The next time you go to make yogurt, you don't need to use another one of these to get it started. You can actually just take, it says 1 to 3 tablespoons of the yogurt from your first batch can be stirred into the cooled milk from your second batch as your starter. So it's kind of like automatic recycling and saves a little bit of money that way too, so you're not having to buy starter all the time. Eventually you may want to add more starter because it will lose its potency, so to speak, but you'll find out that you can get quite a few batches before you get to that point. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions and follow for more. 9 hours later, things have set up. These can now go in the refrigerator. Unless you want them firmer, then leave them longer. All done.